To make your HokoCloud experience simpler, we've launched a new Parameters page. In it, you can adjust 4 main groups of copy settings when following the strategy. In all of them, you will find a text box explaining the option you have chosen. In the allocation field, you can choose your preferred method to define the lot size of replicated orders in your account. For your commodity, we have prepared 4 simplified lot allocation options, or for more experienced users, a set of advanced options that satisfy the needs of any trading strategy. Please consider that with the default option, we will replicate trades in your follower account based on the proportionality of your balance against the balance of the master account. In the signals option, you can set restrictions on the trades replicated on your follower account, namely by restricting a certain type of trade, open or close, a certain side of trades, only buy or only sell, or by simply defining whether you want to follow all types of assets, if you want to block certain assets, or if you want to restrict yourself to just a few types of financial assets that you want to replicate. In the restrictions field, you can apply limitations in terms of the maximum number of simultaneously open orders in your account, the minimum and maximum lot size of the trades replicated, and the maximum percentage of the total margin to be used by your account. Finally, in the maximum loss option, you can, as the name implies, limit the amount or percentage you are willing to lose on your account by applying a level at which all your open orders are automatically closed and the trade replication suspended. You can also set up a block to new trades replicated in your account if your drawdown is above a specified target. We remind you that it is extremely important to carefully read the explanation of each parameter chosen. Whenever you make a change, don't forget to save changes in the upper right corner.